Continuing on with section 11.4, the derivative as a rate of change. We are moving on to problem 17. We are given a cost function. The cost equals q squared plus 50q plus 1000. Q is going to equal 15, 16, and 17. So we're supposed to find the marginal cost function, which basically just means take the derivative of the cost function with respect to quantity. Then we need to evaluate marginal cost at each level of output, 15, 16, 17. So let's take the derivative. C prime is going to equal 2q plus 50. And now we're going to evaluate the derivative at the level of so this is marginal cost. Just to be clear. And this is total cost. So now we're evaluating the derivative at q equals 15. It equals 2 times 15 plus 50, which equals 30 plus 50, which equals 80. So at an output level of 15 units, the cost of producing one more unit is going to be $80. Now we're going to evaluate the derivative at q equals 16, so that's going to equal 2 times 16 plus 50. So that's going to equal 32 plus 50 is going to equal 82. So here, the marginal cost of producing one more unit after producing the 16th unit is going to be $82. So we have increasing marginal cost. So each unit that we're producing is costing more. And that's generally due to diminishing marginal returns to production, which you might be familiar with from micro and you might not. I just thought I'd mention it. Don't worry about the fact that you may not understand what it means right now. You'll understand what it means if you take intermediate micro, which I'm assuming you will. Alright, so let's evaluate the marginal cost at output of 17 units. So it's going to be $84. So after producing the 17th unit, the cost of producing one more unit is going to be $84. The marginal cost of producing one more unit at a quantity level of 17 is going to be $84. So it's good to know how to interpret these things. You don't just want to do some math, take derivatives, plug stuff in. You want to think about what you're doing, because ultimately we are going to translate the equations back into sort of literary theory, where we sort of explain things with words. Anyway, that's the end of my little spiel, and that's the end of problem 17.